Hello, how are you? I am back again. Mary is having a quick nap, so I thought I would do a little unboxing. This is the Time of Your Life subscription box, and it's very, very good. So I'm going to show you what's inside. Here is the box. Full disclosure, I have already peeked inside, and it's such a good box. I wasn't going to film it, and then I was like, damn, it's so good. I need to film it, show you what's inside. So here I am. And also, my hair is enormous today. What's going on? Anyway, let's get into it. So before we get started, this box is $39.99. It is a subscription box, but you can pause or cancel at any time you want. So if you literally want to sign up for a month or 2 months or 4 months, whenever you want, you can pause or cancel whenever you want. If you're going on holiday, you can just stop it and say, do you know what? Not this month, not for me. If you don't like the products, you can say it again. I don't want it this month. Give it to me next month. Anyway, so it's $39.99. You can also buy a one-off box, but it is much more cost effective to sign up. Also, if you do sign up and you use my code, which is FFL, I'll put it here, you get £10 off your first box, and every box is always worth at least £100. So let me show you what you get this month, and hopefully you'll be into it because I love it. Okay, let's do it. Oh, and every box has a theme, and this box is the summer beauty box. So it's all about looking and feeling your best at summertime. So the first item that we have is by Feather & Down, and this is a warming body scrub to help promote sleep. I love Feather & Down. It's really good product, especially if you want to sleep. And this is a really nice full-size tube, which is 200 ml. Next up, we have a Margaret Dabbs foot cream. This is incredible. I love Margaret Dabbs. It's such good stuff, and it really does help, especially if you suffer with dry, cracked, painful feet. It really will work its magic. And also at summer, you don't want those dry, cracked heels on show. So it's perfect. It's perfect. And it's a really amazing product. Something I don't normally treat myself to. So when it's in a beauty box like this, I am all over it. Also, that is worth £18 alone. So just so you know, a lot of bang for your buck there. Next up, we have the Margaret Dabbs Firming Leg Serum. I have not actually tried this before, but I am a huge fan of Margaret Dabbs, so I'm sure it's going to be incredible. And yeah, it's just going to make me feel a little bit more confident about my legs, I think. So I'm here for it. So that is the next item. And then this is also by Margaret Dabbs, but this is the other range. This is a bare feet range, and this is a cooling foot spray, which apparently you can also use on your legs. So I'm looking forward to this. Those hot, clammy days where you just want to cool your feet off. Amazing. This box has a lot of items inside. So here is the next item. This is a Salt of the Earth deodorant. This is a natural deodorant, and I am really trying to shift over from quite toxic classic deodorants onto natural deodorants. I'm a little bit scared. You know how it is. But I just feel like it's something I need to do, not just for the planet, but for my own personal health. So I'm excited about this because I feel like I need that nudge, and I feel like this could be it. So that is the next item. And then next up, we have an OPI nail polish. I always love their nail polishes. And this is a fun colour, very summery. It's not for winter, it's definitely just for summer. So that is the next item. And then finally, I'm really excited about this one because this is going to make my legs look how I want them to look on my wedding day. This is the He Shy, I hope I'm pronouncing that right, Wonder Glow Correctional Tan Body Blurring Magical Genius product. It's so good. I have used this like literally a few times. It's incredible. It really does work wonders, especially if you don't have perfect legs. And yeah, I feel like I don't want to wear like tights on my wedding day. I don't want to wear like flesh color tights. I just want to have bare legs and be comfortable and have the air circulating. And yeah, this will just make my legs look and feel a little bit more pristine. So that is the last item. I think it's an incredible box. You get so much for $39.99. And yeah, it's just all about like summer prep, feeling good, like looking good, feeling comfortable, feeling hydrated. And yeah, like blurring a little bit of the body that you want to blur. Anyway, that's my video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again soon. Goodbye.